Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add ANZ card to the Apple wallet. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple method. So at here we can see at here you have to follow this simple method. So you have to log in into your ANZ app. Then you have to select that you would like to pay from. Then you have to select the tab. Then you have to tap on the add to Apple wallet and follow the prompt. Okay, then you have to agree the term and condition with the Apple Pay or Apple wallet. Then you have to do the security process like OTP once and it will be done. So by this way you can just add your ANZ card to your Apple wallet. If you scroll down more, you can see and read more things above. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.